In this video, we are going to see how we can switch the Roblox accounts on mobile. So if you want to switch the ID on Roblox application, here is how you can do it. First of all, I am logged in with my current ID. I need to change it. What we will do is on the bottom right hand corner, right here, there's a more button. We click on that, and from here, we will choose log out option. So you need to scroll down a little bit until you see this log out screen. Click on that and we click on continue. But just in case that you don't get logged out, means if you don't have password, you might get logged out. So you can mention your email here before exiting, or otherwise you click on log out anyway. In my case, I know the ID and password, so I might not do it, or let's say we do it and click on log out anyway. And after you sign out, you can see your current signed out ID, or you can sign in from an other account if you want. So you click on sign in from other account, and after that you simply just mention the username, email or phone number, whatever you have. And also you can try this quick sign in options as well. So whatever is suitable for you, you can choose that method, and that is how you can switch Roblox accounts on mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.